Hey Michael, I just wanted to show you a little bit about my Seesaw platform. I am still really trying to learn as much as I can about this, and I do not feel like an expert, but here is just what I can show you about what I've posted for the kids so far. I am going to maybe need to take out my announcements and delete them and put the slide that Jessica sent out to have them scroll down for the newer announcements and then put the announcements back in, but we'll see. So here in the inbox, so when you go in as a student in your inbox, there are announcements. So the first announcement is welcome to first grade in Mrs. Trailer's class. So it has this little Google, these are Google Slides, but it's a little slideshow kind of thing. And then in the second one right here is where they're going to join the meeting every day for the 21st through the 25th. And I'm also going to maybe send a video, or I am going to send a video kind of like this one to the family so that they can see where the link is. And I will also probably email out the link as well. They won't be able to miss it. And then here are the expectations for the class meetings and our schedule starting on the 28th. And then this is, hello, please read this important information for first grade in different languages. Here, after the parent meeting, I put, hello, please click on the video below and watch it to get instructions on what to do. And then in the journal is where people are responding. So still a work in progress, still trying to make sure I know how to add specials and all that stuff. But anyway, you had asked about where the link was, so I just wanted to show you that. All right, hope you're having a great day. Bye.